As the National Centre of Excellence for Digital Engineering and AI, our job at NCC is to cut through the noise around AI and to identify where it has the greatest potential impact for UK industry. One area where AI has genuine transformative potential is liquid resin infusion. Done right, the infusion process is a cost-effective method of making high-performance products, such as aircraft wings and wind turbine blades. But manufacturing errors are common and create high levels of rework and waste. In response, NCC is developing machine learning models which control the resin infusion process in real time. We're training models to identify defects before they become critical and adapt the live process in response. Our latest breakthrough in this area came through a core research project, a collaboration between NCC, Vestas, BAE Systems and ESI. We've created a new software environment which allows our engineers to rapidly develop machine learning models. We use it to train those models on millions of simulated infusion scenarios. When deployed on real infusions, they can spot problems as they arise and guide the process back on track. It's a critical step to making smart, AI-controlled manufacturing a commercial reality.
So the NCC is a partner we can really trust to deliver such technologies as AI. And AI for us isn't just a buzzword, it's streamlining our manufacturing technologies for better value.
This project is a powerful example of how AI can transform advanced engineering and manufacturing. And at NCC, the next phase of smart resin infusions is already underway. With our systems approach to engineering, and as the host of Isambard AI, the UK's most powerful artificial intelligence supercomputer, NCC is perfectly positioned to deliver genuine impact for UK industry.